Good.
Hello, how are you this rainy evening? Ooh, I see you are very well. That is good. I was just bringing in your lovely cup of water on the divine mirror tray. See? There's your Sylvester cup.
Meow.
Indeed.
Meow.
It is a little too much, no?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow.
What do you think? Can you see?
Let's see you, Iris. See you later.